Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to rearrange apps and widgets icons on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone. To rearrange an apps icon on your smartphone, you just have to hold your finger down on the empty space of the home screen and then either hold your finger down on an icon and move it to a different position. At the bottom, you will also see the list of screens where you can move your icon for conveniency. And if you want to move several icons at once, just tap on each one you want to rearrange, then hold your finger down on them and then select where you want to place them. For widgets, first we're gonna have to add some. Let's add a weather widget. To do that, we're gonna have to tap the Add Widgets icon at the bottom of the screen and then select widget that we want to add. Now, if you hold your finger down on the widget, you'll be able to replace it in pretty much the same way as we did it with the app icons. To finish, tap done, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.